Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can enter cash advance in QuickBooks, so let's get started. The first step is to create a dedicated account for tracking advances. Go to the Settings menu, open the chart of accounts, and create a new account. For the account type, select Other Current Assets, and for the detail type, choose Employee Cash Advances. Give the account a clear name such as Cash Advances and save it. Next, record the actual payment. From the dashboard, click on the New button and select either Check or Expense, depending on how the advance is being paid. In the Payee field, select the employee or vendor receiving the advance. Under the Category column, choose the Cash Advances account you just created. Enter the amount, specify the payment method, and then save the transaction. Finally, when the employee provides receipts or when the advance is deducted from payroll, you should clear the advance by applying it against the same Cash Advances account. This ensures that the account balance returns to zero and your records remain accurate. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.